Welcome students, welcome for this class of understanding the magnetic timeline on FCP 10. So yeah, this is the a feature of our magnetic timeline that it magnetically adjusts clips to fit around the clips that you drag into place. If you drag clips out of place, the surrounding clips close up to fill the space. Yeah, so this is the nature of magnetic timeline. Because FCP10 doesn't have tracks like other NLEs. So let's try to check this in our software. What is magnetic timeline? Yeah. So this is magnetic timeline, as you can see, this black thing. Yeah. So this is where anything that you try to bring on this timeline, it comes on this black portion. So yeah, so anything you try to do, so for complete tutorial please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description and there's a link to my Udemy course, so please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.